Now, we set the central position of the CCTV. For the position, I made it like this. This is the power source. This is the PSU. This is the DVR. And this is the monitor. Oh yes, I modified the DVR and PSU by adding a cooling fan. For how to install the fan, you can see the previous video. For the device specification, SPC brand DVR with a capacity of 8 cameras. The cameras used are also the same brand, namely 4 SPC cameras, a 12V 10A PSU unit, and a 19-inch standard monitor with VGA port. I attached this unit to the wall using fixture screws. Okay, all central units are connected. This is the DVR power port along with the monitor port. The position of the DVR power cable I installed here. And below is the power for the fan, DVR fan and PSU fan. This is the AC power source, one for the monitor and one for the PSU. And this is the USB mouse to set the DVR menu. Okay, the central unit is ready. Now we are ready to install the camera at each point. I skip installing all the camera cables. Now, one camera is ready to be installed. What we are doing now is installing the next one camera. For installing the camera power cable, it must not be reversed. Make sure the red cable is for positive current, and the black cable is the for negative current. For the camera signal cable, it is peeled like this. Insert into the E5 connector, which is usually used for satellite dishes, and combine with the BNC connector. After that, it is wrapped in insulation and installed on DVR. For how to install the camera power cable, first loosen the clamping nuts of the two cables positive and negative. Insert the red and black cables at the same time. Remember not to reverse them. Red positive and black negative. After fitting, tighten the two clamping nuts until they are tight. Okay, for the cables on the camera have been peeled all. Here, we will do a test. Whether the signal cable current and the camera power cable can reach the camera point. Remember, on each of these two cables do not touch each other, because we will check the current by turning on the CCTV. Okay, the CCTV unit has been turned on. Immediately we check the condition of the cable current. Prepare a multitester. Set on the 2000 ohm scale. Attach the tester needle like this. Red on the middle cable and black on the stranded cable. Check the results. If there is movement of numbers, it means the camera signal is present and ready. If there is no movement of numbers, try checking the BNC E5 connector again. Usually it is often loose and not connected in that section. Set the multitester to DC 20 volt. Attach the tester needle according to the color. Okay, steady there. It's a voltage of 12 volt. If finished, immediately turn off the CCTV device. From here, all current connections are confirmed to be present. We are allowed to install the BNC E5 jack, along with the camera power jack. Remember, do not install the camera power jack upside down. The red cable in the positive position and black cable in the negative position. The installation method is exactly the same as installing the cable on the PSU earlier. After that, we install the camera. Before installation, first insert the camera cable into the bracket and install the camera in its position with the available screw. After the camera is installed, turn the DVR back on. Okay, camera 2 shows the video image. From here, we can set the camera direction. While setting the camera direction, we tidy up the position of the camera cable properly. Okay, 4 camera cables are installed. LAN cable for internet connection already connected. And this is the result of installing the central CCTV unit. menu password has been installed. And the time setting is correct. For internet connection is connected. Cloud ID code is ready to be filled in the mobile application. I skip how to set in on an Android cell phone. It's very easy, my friend. There are already many scattered on the YouTube about how to set it. For this, the recording results can be stored properly onto hard disk. Okay, that's all my friends. Hopefully this video can be useful for you.